In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome. Dark mode gives Chrome a darker appearance that's easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Appearance. Next to Mode, select Dark. If you want Chrome to automatically match your computer's theme, choose Device instead. The change takes effect immediately, so there's no need to restart Chrome. If you don't see the mode option, you can still use dark mode by enabling your computer's dark theme. On Windows, go to Settings, Personalization, Colors, and select Dark. On Mac, open System Settings, Appearance, and choose Dark. Chrome will automatically follow your system theme. That's how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.